Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna try an interesting chicken snack recipe. Let's try making this threaded chicken. To marinate the chicken, add some garam masala, turmeric powder, coriander powder and red chili powder with some salt, all-purpose flour and cornstarch. Add 1 egg into it and mix it. Add some water to get a perfect consistency for the marination. Now our marination is ready. Add some chicken strips and mix it nicely. Keep it aside for 1 to 2 hours. Now here I've taken some samosa sheets. Just cut them into thin strips like this. Before cutting, don't forget to separate each sheets. Now add some cornstarch and mix it nicely. Now take each chicken pieces, coat it really well with the strips. Press it so that the strips will get stuck to the chicken pieces. Repeat the same till the strips gets over. You can make these chicken pieces like this and store it in the freezer for 1 to 2 days. And whenever you want to fry, just thaw it and fry it in medium heat oil. Fry them till it turns crispy and golden shade. And there you go, our crispy threaded chicken are ready. It's so tasty to have with mayonnaise or tomato ketchup. So do try out this recipe. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.